Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to generate poetry with Perplexity AI. This tool can help you create beautiful and creative poems based on various inputs and themes. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at Perplexity AI and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by following these simple steps. First of all, sign up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner. Select the settings icon and then go to the top right corner and select API section. Here you need to select docs and then select the get started button. Here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's capabilities for creating writing. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your poetry generation application by configuring it to handle input prompts and generate poetic text. This involves setting up an API endpoints and managing text data. Now decide on the themes, styles or topics for the poetry you want to generate. Now prepare prompts or guidelines that will help guide the poetry creation process. Send your prompts to the Perplexity AI API and receive generated poetry in response. Now implement the necessary code to handle these results and format them as needed. You can review the generated poetry and make any adjustments or refinements to improve the output. Experiment with different prompts and settings to achieve the desired style. Now monitor the performance of your poetry generation system and gather feedback to continuously enhance the quality and creativity of the poems. You can even deploy your poetry generation system on your website or application, allowing users to generate and enjoy creative poems. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to generate beautiful poetry, adding a touch of creativity to your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.